Yeah, this video is about how to change your smoke alarm. So as you can see, this is one that needs to be changed because it's 10 years old. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out this bottom part. Basically, you just twist it, and as you twist it, you see it's connected over here. So we're gonna unhook it. So right here you have the clip. So what you do is you just basically kind of juggle around, and here we go. So it comes off. So you see those those 3 pins. That's how it connects to those 3 pins right there. So this is what you will get at Home Depot, and it was about $16. And we're gonna open the package and see how we replace it. So out of the package, this is what it looks like. So this is this piece right here is just a cover for you to put on the ceiling so it can hold your smoke alarm. And this is the actual smoke alarm. So you want to make sure this has the battery is included, so in case you have loss of electricity of power, the smoke alarm can work on with the batteries. And most important, as you can see, this smoke alarm comes with connectors, so that makes it a lot easier. It makes it super easy for you to install your new alarm, your smoke alarm, to the existing connection. So we will check out what do we have. So as you can see, you have those 3 connection point, and then on the other side you have the 3 pins. So depending on how your original smoke alarm was hooked up. So as you can see here, so for me, this adapter will be ideal because those 3 pins will go straight here, and then the other connection will be to the smoke alarm. So let's see how it gets all together. So to remove the covers, the cover, you basically have to unscrew the screw in here, and then the screw there. Then it's gonna loosen up. Then you can put the new cover on the new smoke alarm that you bought. So here's the new cover. We're basically gonna use the same screw that we didn't take all the way down, and just line it up so that it's an easy install. So right here, I got the existing screw there, and I'm gonna try to line up with the one that we took off, or we can do this. Right there. All right, then you're just gonna tighten the screw up. So the new cover is installed. So the 2 screw got tightened down. So now we are ready for the smoke detector to be attached. So this is the new smoke alarm. Again, the battery was included. So I'm just gonna put it down and then remove the sticker. So you remove the sticker, and on the back side you see those 3-pin connection. So if I look at the back side and the connectors, the connector that came with the package, so you have this will connect to the existing connection on the wall, and this will hook up to the alarm, the smoke detector. So this basically go in here, so you just line it up and it hooks up. So pretty simple. Then, so as you can see, now we're gonna attach this portion to the ceiling. This and attach it to that connection. Make sure you check your connection on that side to make sure that all those pins are really in, and then recheck to make sure that it is green. So I'll just push it, make sure that that connector goes inside the hole on the top, and then here you basically just push it up. And make sure you really twist. All right, so here you are. So after you install it, you want to test it to make sure that it is indeed working and it can actually detect smoke in case something happened. So the button in the middle, if you press it, the alarm will actually go up. So let's do it. So it's working. You just have to press it once and that's it.